Just singing in the rain. Actually, there's no rain. Just snow outside. My friends, Coach Vigue says so on my shirt, so it must be true. Oh, little unfocused today. I wrote out this great sequence that's gonna make us have to focus. It's on a little slip of paper. Hopefully it's out of reach of the camera so you can't see that. Unfocused today, got some personal things going on, so I wanna do a flow. I wanna work this stuff out of my brain. I was pacing the room back and forth for a while. I'm all raring to go when I get here, but if I walk around too much, your mind can get away from that purpose. You start getting distracted by things. So it's very important that we get into that flow right away with the deep breathing in the nose and out the nose. Let me know if anybody comes in. Let's start in downward facing dog. But first, a couple shoulder rolls. And let me tell you, I want you to check in below. We're working out together. I want to know you're here. So check in below. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. S-H-A-R-E, not the singer, actress, but the share it on. Good, shoulder rolls, inhale up, exhale down. No mat today, I'm feeling especially rebellious. But it keeps moving around like a very slow moving magic carpet when I have it in here, so I think I'm better off doing it on the green carpet. Okay, one more time, rolling back, down, shoulders back and down, chest is open, abs pulled in towards the abdomen, not the abdominals, but the spine. Every time you exhale. Downward facing dog. Let's walk the legs. Let the blood move into the head, and let's breathe in the nose, out the nose. Filming, by the way, at Nick's Pro Fitness. If you're ever in the Denver area, you can come up here and take one of my classes. All right, 4 more steps. Nice release in the hamstrings and the lower back. Let's go. Let's feel this out. Left foot forward, warrior position. Bend the left knee, turn the right foot in. Okay, let me scooch back a little bit. There we go. Right here. Reverse warrior, right arm across, left arm up. Keep the right leg or left leg open. Hand back. Hopefully I can read my handwriting. All right, bring both the arms up. Keep hearing all these noises. I don't want the distractions. There we are. Sinking back. We'll do this on both sides, of course. Now, going into half moon pose. Slide the foot towards you. Left hand down. Both the hands down and reach up. Nice and tall. Oh, there we are. Flex that right foot. So you press through the heel. Soften this left knee, just a shtickle, a titch, a sliver. From here, we're going into standing splits. Bring the hands down, lift the leg up, nose towards the knee. You can bring the hands to your calf if you like to deepen that stretch. Lift the right leg up with the inhale. With the exhale, tuck the chin. Okay, from here, we're going to pigeon pose. Can you believe it? To pigeon. Bring the right foot down, open the left hip, and here we are. Pigeon, pigeon. Start tall, lifting tall, proud pigeon. Shoulders are back and down. Get a nice long stretch up the spine. Exhale forward. Lengthen that spine. Your body's not going to know what hit it. All these beautiful functional moves to bring out your very best. If you have a friend who says that yoga is not for them, do this sequence with them. All right, walk the hands back up. Shoulders back and down. Proud pigeon. You're right over the center. Hey, my strings. Got no strings to hold my pigeon down. And take your eyes up. Sliding that right leg back to activate the hip flexor. Now, swivel around to half boat pose. Shoulders back and down. Hands here or forward. Option, the wrap, the boat wrap. Cross the arms here, and then you're going to pull the knees in. Keep your shoulders back and down at your own discretion, at your own pleasure. You may lengthen the legs. So we have a lot of balance happening here. Your body's going to react to this by shaking. Usually by shaking. It happens to me. It means you are definitely pushing beyond your normal threshold. Your body is rushing to adapt to the new pose. And that's what it's all about, my friends. Working consistently on our bodies so they have to adapt, because then they will respond better to anything that comes along. All right, we're going to go through a vinyasa flow now. So release those legs, cross the ankles, step back, plank, hands are on the shoulders, press forward, elbows are in, knees down to modify, lower down, hover pose. Resist the gravity. Inhale, shoulders back, elbows in, cobra. And then exhale, lower down, and we're going to return to downward facing dog. So press up and back. Good. Walk the hands in front of the shoulders, feet behind the hips, walk the legs. Nice sequence. Let's keep going. Add a twist. A twist to the down dog. Tuck the chin, breathe. Hope you like my red stripe. And the beer. Beer is good. Good beer. All right, right foot forward. We're going to do it. Now it's the backside. Warrior position. See if I can remember this. I have my notes down there. Reverse warrior. Reaching back. Okay, both the arms up. One more breath. Okay. Half moon. Bring the foot slightly in and then up and over. Right hand down. Left hand down if you want. Or open into that half moon. Flex that left foot. Pressing through the heel. It's wonderful. It's marvelous. It's wonderful. It's marvelous. Okay, standing splits, hands down, dive. Little softness right here in this right knee. Here we go. So many things happening. Now we are in an inversion. Our head is below our heart, below our waist, so we have blood rushing into the head. Lots of breath. Modify as needed. Woo. You know, you see people, they take this leg and put it all the way up. Let's work towards that. A few hundred more times, I'll get it. All right, moving into pigeon. Am I on camera? Okay. Right over the center, and then lift. Shoulders back and down. I have one client here. I won't say her name. We'll call her B. She's the only one I've ever encountered who does not like the pigeon. I've helped her with it. She does well with it, but she is in the very small anti-pigeon camp. Slide forward. There we are. Pigeon is such a blessing for many reasons. The big one is it's all body weight and gravity that's opening up that hip. Okay, walk the hands back up. Proud pigeon. Lift, drop the shoulders back. Eyes up to the ceiling. Things are looking up. I'm singing today. All right, swivel around. Remember our half boat? Here it is. Shoulders back and down. As you exhale, flex those abdominals. Always give them a nice squeeze. I'm on. Okay, good. All right, wrap the arms. Shoulders down. If we're doing yoga and the whole time you're creeping like this, the odds are when you leave your practice, you leave the room, wherever you are, it's going to stay with you the rest of the day. You're going to be creeping those shoulders down. Now from here, up to you, my friend. You lengthen with each exhale and let the shaking begin. Turn into the Haunted Mansion ride all of a sudden. I will lower it for you. 2 more breaths. We got it, my friend. Very good. Stretching the backs of the legs, dropping the shoulders down, keeping committed to that posture when things get really tough. Adapt, adapt. All right, boom. Cross the ankles, vinyasa flow. I'm gonna moonwalk back. Oh, that was bad. Okay, that's good. Forward, down. Hover, chaturanga, cobra like before, or you could press all the way up. Elbows in, squeeze the glutes, squeeze the tops of your thighs. Lower down, and take it back to downward facing dog. Beautiful. I tell you what, I wasn't gonna do this, but now I'm in the zone. Walk your legs while I'm having this moment. Let's do it one more time on each side with a little more speed, but the control is there, the precision. And of course, it's fun. It's enjoyable to see what our bodies are capable of. But we don't know until we do it. We gotta earn it, we gotta work, stay consistent. All right, left foot forward. Here we go, reverse warrior, let's take it. Both the arms up, scooch back. Okay, half moon, slide the foot in, we come up. If you wish, grab the foot, open up further. Further is a word I use a lot, but I like it. I like it. It's always pushing us to expand, to strengthen. Standing splits. Feeling looser, you can balance it if you want, both the hands on the ankle. Oh, that is a boatload of fun. All right, pigeon, down, lift, proud pigeon. I've done whole videos just on pigeons, the virtues of the different variations of pigeons. That's all, folks. All right, slide it forward. I get so excited, I stutter sometimes. All right, and rise back up. Proud pigeon. Bring the legs around, half boat, wrap the arms around, and extend. 3 breaths. Let me know what you think of this flow down below. Certainly making me sweat. All right, vinyasa flow, step back, forward, down, up dog or cobra, and then down dog. Take a breath, let's go to the other side. Okay, right foot forward, I can't wait. Reverse. Or both the arms up. Half moon. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? I'm gonna grab the foot and open. More breath in the nose and out the nose. Okay, standing splits. Good, I feel looser. I feel more in touch with what I'm doing. And then pigeon. Lift. Lift it up. Whole videos dedicated to pigeon. That's easy for you to say. That's easier that time. Slide forward. Use the gravity. Use your body weight to open it up. Okay. In our days, they change on dimes by a couple deep breaths, much of the time. Just takes a deep breath. Whole day turns around. Around we go. Here we are. And extend to your heart's desire. Shoulders down. Lifting through the crown of the head. Flex the feet. Woo, you feel like, hey, there's too much leg. Too much leg. All right. Vinyasa flow, we release. One more time. Little vinyasa flow, little power yoga aspect with breath, with precision. Coming back to downward facing dog and walk the legs. All right, my friends, that's a heck of a flow right there. Keep practicing. Comment below, check in below. If these flows are helping you with anything in your life, it can be a sport, an activity, or as simple as getting up and down out of a chair. You want to do that better. You want to breathe better, focus better. Let me know, share it on. And subscribe, like, comment, share. And I really want to show you these special closing credits. Not quite as good as Cannonball Run, but not bad. God bless.
Because if I had enough time, I would take those rosary bleeds and stuff them up your nose.
These bleeds?
Those bleeds there.
You're gonna take these and shove them up?
I take these bleeds here